I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about break statement in Python programming and how to use it to write our programs. Let's quickly move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay. Previously I taught you about while loop. Let's go ahead and use that while loop to create a system that is going to print out 1 to 100, and I will teach you how to break out from a loop. Then, let's go ahead and say that I is equal to 1, and y I is less than or equal to 100, because we want this to start from 1 to reach up to 100, and we're going to say print I, and I is equal to I plus 1. Go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. So you can see down here, I'll drag this out, and the code is really so big that I don't need to get to that point. You can see it is really very big, and I want to cut this to stop at 7. Let's go ahead and use a break statement to do that, and I'm going to go in between print and I here, and I'm going to put an if statement because we have learned how to use the if statement. So I'm going to say if I is equivalent to 7. If I is equivalent to 7, then break. So let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Run, and this is 1 to 7. And if I want to break out from 50, I'm going to say if I is equivalent to 50, I will run this code, and this moves from 1 to 50. You see that? So you can break out any point you want, and this is what helps us to do that using a break statement. So this is called a break statement in Python programming. So let's go ahead and look at another form. Let's go ahead and we put this in. Let's put this to be a multiple line comment, and you can go ahead and put it down. It's there for you. Let's go ahead and say y1. y1 means if true, okay? And 0 means false. So y1, and I'm going to say name is equal to input. y1, please enter your name. Please enter your name. Okay, so let us move to the next line. Oh, yes, let's give a space, and I'm going to say if name is equivalent to quit, in case someone puts his name to be quit, then this should break off. So once we see a name quit, it should break out. Let's go ahead and check this out. So I'll go ahead and run this code and run this. Please enter your name, and I'm going to say hello. You can see, if you watch down here, you see that the code is T as a kitten. Please enter your name. Welcome. Please enter your name. Educate. Please enter your name. Jude. Please enter your name. Let's go ahead and put in quit. You see that? Process finished with code with exit code 0. So once you put in the name quit, it will go ahead and break off. You can go ahead and run this code one more time and let's check it out. So please enter your name. D. Please enter your name. Yes, please enter your name. Joe. please, you keep writing, it will keep asking you to write your name until your name is quit. To go ahead and show you process finished with exit code 0. So let's go ahead and look at another one. It's very interesting and I hope we will learn something new here. So I can go ahead and say that I is equal to 1 because someone else might say this, and that we say y I is equivalent to 1. This code will be executed for me. So y I is equivalent to 1. This code will be executed just exactly the same thing. So let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. And make sure we are safe. Please enter your name, you, enter your name, me, enter your name, no, enter your name, yes, enter your name, quit, and that's process finished with exit code 0. So go ahead and pull it down and play around with it, and I'll show you how to continue once you break out from a loop. It's very interesting to learn about breaking out and continue statement in Python programming. So go ahead and pull it down and play around with it. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer sections and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.